What's going on, everybody? Today we got a ModQuad Drag Axle that came in the shop. It's going on 0405 TRX 450. Customer decided to go with the all black finish, and let me tell you, it came out nice. Came complete, 2 spindles. They're marked left and right. You have your sprocket hub and your brake hub, along with your ModQuad drag carrier with the 40mm bearings already installed. So it's pretty much plain and simple. Comes with circlips that you remove to take off the spindles. Then you would slide the brake hub off, and your swing arm pretty much slides right on top of that bearing. Tighten it down, and there is a big circlip that locks it in place. Slide everything back on, put on your last circlip, and that's it. But excited to get this on, but I think we're going to end up sending everything off to powder coating because this customer did decide to go with a Tyson stock wheelbase swing arm. Looks real good. I think it's going to turn out great. We got Marvin Shaws as well for the front and the rear. I think this 0405 TRX is going to come out pretty awesome.